What's up, everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first tutorial, and today I'm going to show you something that is going to completely change how you think about the HR administration. I am going to walk you through how I built a complete automated job application system from scratch using 4 completely free tools. By the end of this video, the moment someone applies for a job, they automatically get a professional email. Their details are logged in spreadsheet, and your hiring manager gets instantly notified on Slack. So here's the reality for most companies, especially small businesses and NGOs in Africa. Someone posts a job, applications comes in, and then someone has to manually email every single applicant, copy their details into spreadsheets one by one, and then remember to tell the hiring manager. If you are getting 20, 50, even 100 applications, that's hours of boring, repetitive work every single week. And the worst part is, applicants sometimes wait days for response or never hear back at all. Today, we fix that permanently, and I am using 4 free tools: Tally.so, Zapier, Gmail, and Google Sheets. Let's get started. Let's start by creating a Slack account for free, by signing up for free. Click Get Started, fill in your email address you want to use. Afterwards, click Continue. Verify if you're not a robot by selecting images with cars. Image 1, select this one. Image 2, image 3, verify. Yes, I'm verified, I'm not a robot. Continue. Fill in the code sent to your email registered. Afterwards, you have to set up your workspace. Create your workspace. Yes. Name your Slack workspace. I named mine HR Operations. And that's my name. My name is Mabel Virtual Assistance, the name of my company. I'll click Next. Then I need to invite my teammates. Let me invite 3 of them to my workspace. Yes. After inviting them, I'll click Next, creating my workspace. Yeah, you can either start with Pro or free version, but I recommend start with the free version. How big is your organization? Mine is 3 to 10. Next. And how will I use my Slack? Choose the best option which fits you. Organize files and tools. That's I'm going to use Slack for this scenario. Then I'm going to create a channel which I'll name New Applications. After I'll click Next, create a channel visibility, choose any. Add people from the people you invited to your workspace, add them all. Yes, my channel has been created. Now I'll go to Zap by adding Slack to my Zap. I'll go to Zap History, Hiring Tracker. Then I'll look at the top right corner to edit the Zaps. Previously, I created I built a form on Tally.com, .so, and now I'm just proceeding with the steps by adding a new action, Slack. So I'm going to choose an action event, which is send channel message, and later I'll sign in to connect my Slack account to the Zap. I'll connect my Slack account. Allow, yes. Then after I'll configure the messages by filling in the necessary information I will need to use for this Zap or for this automation. Yes. Yes. Upload CV. Continue. Yes. Continue. Yes. Now, after I'll try to test the step so far. Now you see, after testing, I got a message, a notification on Slack. Then after I'll publish. Yeah, yes, new version published. So these are my action steps. So I'm going to try by submitting a fake application to see how this works. So I'll fill in the information as the application form requires. Phone number, position applied for, web designer, why should we hire you? Let me try, I believe I am the best candidate for this position. Yes. I'll upload the CV. Uploading CV. Submit. Yes. You see, after submitting the CV, I'll get the applicant gets a notification on the email registered with or filled in during the application process. You see, receive the application. Then the HR will get a notification on the Google Sheets, which he used to attach on the Zaps. You see, I'm the applicant. My name is there. Then so got the application is included. New application. My CV also is attached. Let me try opening the CV and I see. You see? As simple as that. And that is it. 4 steps, 4 free tools. 1 complete automated hiring system. The moment someone applies, email sent, spreadsheet updated, Slack notified, 0 manual work. If you found this useful, smash that like button and subscribe because I post automation tutorials like every week once. If you want this built for your business, school or NGO, my details are in the description below. See you in the next one.